At ProtoTech, we don't just write code. We craft solutions that power the future of 3D technology. From engineering software to immersive AR experiences, we bring ideas to life. Welcome to ProtoTech Solutions, where innovation meets execution.
So there we were, working in the US, knee-deep in 3D software. When it hit us, there were fantastic tools, but not enough skilled engineers to build with them. At the same time, India had brilliant minds, but they weren't getting the right opportunities. So we thought, why not connect the dots? That's how Prototech was born in 2005 on a simple idea: making complex 3D software easy to develop and affordable to build.
We started as a tiny 2-person team. Fast forward to today and we are a 100+ strong group working on cutting edge projects and for some of the biggest names in the industry. Not bad, right? We have worked with industries from automotive and aerospace to architecture, agriculture and additive manufacturing, helping them innovate, grow and, let's face it, make their tech look a whole lot bigger.
Fast forward to today, ProtoTech Solutions stands as a trusted name. With over 250 successful projects and 2,500 satisfied clients worldwide, we're your go-to for digital transformation, 3D application development, check. CAD customization? Got it. AR/VR app development? Yup, we do that too. AI/ML engineering and CAD design and drafting. Seriously, we've got you covered.
At Prototech, we don't just provide solutions, we build lasting partnerships. Whether you are a visionary startup or an industry leader seeking innovative solutions, we collaborate, strategize, and turn bold aspirations into reality.
At Prototech, we develop custom applications that address unique industry challenges, be it creating bespoke plugins, designing 3D configurators, crafting 3D catalogs, enabling seamless integrations or optimizing designs for emerging technologies. We turn visionary ideas into impactful realities.
Why do big companies trust us? Simple, we make their lives easier. Many outsourced projects struggle through delays, budget overruns, and endless micromanagement. But at Prototech, we have fine-tuned the processes so well that our clients feel like they are working with an extension of their own team, minus the headache.
ProtoTech is a game changer. Their expertise helped us bring our 3D product to market ahead of schedule, trusted by industry leaders. Autodesk, Siemens, Hexagon, Microsoft, Transmagic, Roblox.
We are not just another tech company. We have provided direct employment to 300 plus professionals from diverse backgrounds, including first-generation graduates who are now working with global tech leaders. More than 30% of our workforce are women, and many of them are moms. Balancing work and family, they've nailed it.
At Prototech, we believe work should be challenging, rewarding and fun. We hire smart people, give them exciting projects and let them do what they do best. As a lead HR, my mission is simple: to create a culture where fresh ideas flow, growth happens both personally and professionally. If you are driven by a passion for technology, eager to create meaningful impact and want to grow with a company that truly invests in its people, Prototech is the destination for you.
Partner with ProtoTech, where technology meets creativity. Together, we'll redefine boundaries, set new benchmarks, and craft a transformative future.
They say talent wins games, but teamwork wins championships. At ProtoTech, we're more than just a service provider. We're your trusted partner in innovation. Let's build something incredible together.